Your employees can copy company data to a USB in seconds. Here is how to block USB storage using Microsoft Intune. Go to Microsoft Intune Admin Center, go to Devices, then click on Configuration, create new policy, Platform Windows 10 and later, profile type, Settings Catalog, and click Create. Give a name and a description, click Next. Under the configuration settings, add settings, search removable, select removable storage access, and check off all removable storage classes, deny all access. Close this. Enable, click Next. Leave default under scope tags, Next. Add all devices, Next. Review the settings and click Create. Now go to your device, Settings, Accounts, Access Work or School, select Connected User, click on Info and Sync Device. Now go to the File Explorer, go to this PC and try to open the USB drive and access is denied. Windows blocks the access immediately. This helps prevent data theft, malware delivery, and unauthorized file copying. This is part of my full Microsoft Intune real-world training. Full course link and discount voucher are in the description.